cents, who now have them own 2 cents. You come to my life say every day, so you know say I get a black car. You first me say. So here remove yourself. Alright. Listen me now. Their man acting good. And I'm not call nobody name. But when I talk, people are gonna understand. But their man acting good. Me I'm a problem. I mean I'm a little stressed. Everybody go through problem and everybody go through stress. I make sure in the I don't want no comments. I don't really need no comments. I don't want to see nothing for distract me right now. But their man acting good. Right? And me I'm a little back there beef with whatever. You get me? And I think going for the media with Shibada and me and whatever, and you know, Shibada drop him crowd and him get him crew and him come and him Galavan and him go on. Batman and Nicky Black sleep on the live and they make ends meet and they make things talk over, whatever. Which in I was a grown person who came on the live and I said I was sorry. Because at the end of the day, I said things out of my mouth that wasn't supposed to be said towards somebody who have feelings and a blood run through them as me. You understand me? I mix up, you know. I bagger. But there's a time and place for everything. You get me? And when there is peace, I go fight for peace. When a negativity, I go say negativity. When there's a time and place for everything, I go say there's a time and place for everything. I'm going to feel like say today, I go end everything. You see the word ungrateful is a powerful word. The word ungrateful is a powerful word. And I want to teach you something I want to say. I say this from my heart. And I don't feel like say I go come on the net. I not go cuss, I not go flip, I not go cuss. I not go behave boisterous. I go talk for people understand me. Because remember, me no done some, me no idiot. I go through a phase where every woman go through with man. I'm a down a Manhattan, 4 East 28th Street, Manhattan. Nicky Blacks and Lava call my phone. Remember after the live, when the peace join and everything, Nicky Blacks and Lava call my phone. Them threw away door up on the phone and them threw away that person on the phone. And Nicky Black say, Mama, you good? I say, yeah, I'm a good man. Lava say, you good? Nicky Black. Dora say, you good? Everybody on the line say, ask me, I'm good. I say, yeah, I'm a good man. Remember, I was going through a phase. I am pregnant. And the simplest of things are going to trigger me off. Because I'm pregnant. Remember, I wasn't a croft in Jamaica. I never was a croft in a small island. So now I come a big foreign, I still is not a croft. I choose to bring this child without a father. Without support. And I choose to bring this child because God gave me a gift. I do abortions before and I choose not to do this one. Because I want better. Here we go now. Nicky Black them dey on the phone and them say, hope you good and sweat out yourself in a rain. You want, what they plan to do a baby shower for you? My remarks was I don't need no baby shower. If Nicky Black's Lava and Dora willing to talk, they can speak. And that person. My remarks was I don't need a baby shower. I can't take the excitement because over the wall there, they on me And me just not feel good for go out there to the people them. Me stress out. Me not feel like me want to stand up in front of a crowd for see no body. Me not want no baby shower. I said it on the phone. Nikki Black's remarks was, no man, twep, you crazy. Cheer up yourself, man. What do you mean by you don't want a baby shower? Cheer up yourself, man. You gotta sit down every day and mad out or stress out yourself, whatever. Cheer up yourself, man. At the end of the day, you can get a lot of things because you see you don't have no support behind you. When it comes to father. And I said, okay. Lava, Nikki Black's, Dora, and that person never asked me for $1 because I didn't come up with a baby shower attempt. None of them never asked me for zinc, not even 0 cents. None of them never asked me for. I'ma sing slow. I'ma sing slow. I'ma sing slow. The first time I come a White Plains Road, from I know myself there in America, I stop at one place named Allerton Avenue. That's on White Plains Road in the Bronx. I called Lava phone and I said, Lava, I'm there on White Plains Road, you know, the first me I know that road there, and I saw White Plains Road did look. Him said, Nisi, where you do so far? I say, no, say a turkey neck, I come up here for. Him said, turkey neck. Remember when everybody turn back friend, everybody have each other number. Me and this girl text, we talk every day, every night. She stay on the phone, she keep me company, me and her talk, she give me joke, she laugh. And my remarks towards her was, you know, say, bad to bad still, we did have a little beef or whatever, but if people for really know you, they would have say you're a nice person, you make people laugh. You get me? You give me joke, so I feel, you know, certain things I did have behind. I told her sorry several times. Them heart not clean. Them heart not good. Them not believe in a peace. Them believe in a war. Them not believe in a peace. Them believe in a war. Yeah. I have a thing when them generation curse. I eat a follow them. I don't know let it go upon me. Una nah go let go that curse upon me. No day, no time. Cause una not like peace. I'ma call Lava, I'ma say to Lava, say Lava. My dear White Plains or whatever. I say call a person there for me there, but call a person there. I tell the person say me there, yes so. The person say, you know say they near me at 219 I live. You're there 2 blocks away. Allerton Avenue, then Gunhill Road, then 219. Tanto come and Tanto meet me. No, I lie. Tanto never meet me. Lava dropped me at the person's house. When he dropped me, I say, well, go on. I say, good. I say, yeah. She said, sit down now, whatever. She agreed.